Get it, Chloe.
Ow! Someone just pulled me. Chloe, come on. Come on, Chloe. Come on.
Woohoo! She made it. Oh, let's see. Looks like you rained down some sparks. Oh, you got it going already, girl.
Do I put it in right now?
Yep. Put it on in your bird's nest. And see that. Remember how you do it? A little taco. Get him way down in there. There you go. Hold it up.
Where?
Yep. You'll see which way the smoke will go. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, I can see it. You ready for it? Nice. Drop it in the fire upside down.
Upside down?
Yep.
Like
There
that?
you go. There you go. Now put your next kindling on.
This?
Yep. Pro. Ready for the survival show, huh? Nice, look at that. Now, why don't you put your other sticks up on top?
Because my eyes are burning.
Want me to get them? Nice job, cutie. Good job. Get on the other side, you'll be good out of the smoke. Good job, cutie. Sustainable fire. Here comes our dinner. Alright guys, got quite the blaze going here. We want to get ready for dinner. Seems like more people than I would have expected have not cooked a lot over a fire, so figured I'd just throw in my 2 cents. Needless to say, I got the grate, so I'm going to smooth it on that capacity today, but you can probably hear it popping like crazy. Have pine wood down in the bottom, that's what we started the fire with, and some oak up on top, and that's our hardwood that we're going to cook over. So we'll let this get down to just low flames to where I can put my hand over it for about 2 seconds, and it'll be cooking time. Alright guys, so today it's going to be really roughing it. Bring in roasted garlic petite tender shoulder beef and lemon garlic pork. Yeah, roughing it today, guys. Taking one for the team. So you can see, I can hold my hand there about two and a half, 3 seconds. And that's just about how I like it. I'd rather actually get a little smoky flavor on these, so low and slow is the way to go in my book. Okay, it's on. Okay, so we just flipped these guys a little while ago. Just gonna move this guy down here a little bit and move these guys a little down. And this one, this big piece of pork, you can see still's got some pink on it, so we're gonna keep him over the hot spot. Just gonna make some soup. So I gotta turn you guys on to one of my very favorite things in bush cooking. Let's see, where is it? There we go, guys. This stuff right here. Savory choice turkey broth. The bomb. Definitely like grandma makes. You just add it to water. I love to just use my cup and keep it over the fire, and just keep a thing of hot broth on in the mornings and stuff, or just whenever it's cold. So highly recommend it.